Hello, I'm going to take you on a quick overview of how students are able to access the AimsWeb screeners through TestNav on their Chromebooks. So let's take a look at this and we'll dive right in. Sharing my screen now. First thing we're going to do is we're going to just understand that they have to be using Chromebooks. And they can use this with headsets so that they can listen to the assessment if necessary. We're going to find out how to take them through to TestNav, the application. From there, they will need to select AimswebPlus, and finally, how to log in from that point using ClassLink and taking it to the assessment itself. So, reminder about Chromebooks. Chromebooks should be up to date. However, it's always a good thing to restart them prior to any assessment. To restart, just simply press the power button until the options to restart or sign out occur, and click on the restart button. You'll know that it is up to date in the upper right-hand corner. That's where the Chrome OS version is. They should be at Chrome OS version 124 or higher. Most of them are higher than that already, but just want to double check. Closing the Chromebook does not restart it. Most students will just close their Chromebook and think that it's going to turn back on and restart. That is not a restart. You'll have to use the power button in the upper right-hand corner of the keyboard. Once you've done that, you're ready to roll into assessing. So we're going to locate the TestNav app by having the students log out of themselves, their login in the Chromebook, and instead what they'll do is from the initial login screen, they will select the app menu at the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Here you can see that I've clicked on the app menu, and there are several apps that come up. You may or may not be familiar with all of them, but the one we're interested in is in TestNav. It may be in a different location on the menu for your students, but look for TestNav. Once students click on that, then they will be taken to a selection page. Now, Pearson is a large company, and they have a wide variety of assessments that are using TestNav as the platform. And so we have to select the correct assessment. You see there are 3 columns of choices. The second and the third are states. We don't want any of those. So you look in the first column and look at the AimswebPlus logo on the left-hand side. Please keep in mind that this is the US version and that there is a Canadian version of AimswebPlus that has a little red maple leaf. That's the one below this particular app. They need to select the AimswebPlus for the United States. Once they've done that, that's set up, and that should not have to happen any other time that they're going to be using TestNav. That will take them to the AimsWeb login page. You can go directly into AimsWeb if you have a username and password, but our students, we want to keep it as simple as possible. We're going to have them log in through ClassLink. So it's set up like a series of tabs going across the top. Keep it on the far left tab, which is the AimswebPlus tab. Then to the right, you'll see that there are 3 choices. The first choice is sign in with Google, then with Clever, and we want the third one, which is sign in with ClassLink. Clicking on that button takes them to the sign-in page that they are used to seeing when they actually log in to a Chromebook through ClassLink. That will take them to the assessment that is appropriate for their grade level, because every student is registered and rostered in a teacher's classroom. And so they will be, for instance, if they're a 2nd grade student, they will be taken to the correct 2nd grade assessment. If you have any questions about this, please contact us at a couple of different email addresses. The local, we've added a new local email address. It's aimsweb@madison.k12.wi.us. That gets you to a team of folks. If you have a question for me, simply email me at tpeterson2@madison.k12.wi.us. Hope this helps, and if you need any other support, let us know and we'll be here to help you. Thank you.